Now here's Mario and the chef with your Sunday brunch.
All right, it's a perfect sign of summer. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Class Cooking, is here with.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, we did berries, but this is rhubarb. Another beautiful local product. I mean, look at this stuff. It's gorgeous. I mean, and this stuff, people grow this, but it grows like dandelions. I would just keep growing and growing. So you see, hope you like it. It's delicious. All right. We're going to start off by making the filling. We have some rhubarb. And we have some cut strawberry. This is one of these things, everything just goes in. So we're using some really beautiful native products. Now we're going to add some OJ and a little orange zest, and we're going to add some granulated sugar. Now we're going to get this to mix, and then once it starts to break down, we're going to have a slurry of cornstarch and water. And then once you put that in, that's the thickening agent. So once you get this, you get it thick and you take it off the heat and let it chill. Now this is a really beautiful crust. This is all butter in this crust.
Yeah.
So now I'm just gonna take this and I want to go around the edge. Then we're gonna add, this is something that I already had prepared. I made it this morning. And I'm gonna put a nice dollop right here. How much you put on? It's irrelevant.
Yeah.
Depends on how much you like. Now, we're gonna take this and we're going to just start to fall over the crust. This is a crostata. Very simple. You just keep rotating and rotating and get out of there, son. And then when you come around the other side, what we're going to do is we're going to hit this with some egg. Again on the top. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of granulated sugar. Well, you can use sugar in the raw. 425-degree oven for about 20-22 minutes. My, this is really a delicious item, especially that crust. Yeah, if you like, and now this would be nice. I love rhubarb. Yeah. This is a nice brunch item. You can serve, and one person, you can serve an individual, or you can split it in two with a big scoop of ice cream on top.
It's a little bit of that tartness with the rhubarb.
Yeah, the rhubarb does a really nice job.
Perfect combo.
Yep.
What do we call it?
Strawberry Rhubarb Crostata.
Recipes on our website.
Taunton.com.
And we'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.